In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe from Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have Stripe connected so you can accept secure online payments on your Zoho Books invoices with just a few clicks. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to Zoho Books with the right organization selected and that you have the proper permissions to change settings. You'll also need an active Stripe account you can log into. Keep your Stripe two-factor authentication device handy, since you may be prompted to verify during the connection. Let's begin inside Zoho Books. Look to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. This opens the settings area where all your account-level configurations live. From that menu, choose Online Payments. This section is dedicated to payment integrations and shows you all the gateways that work with Zoho Books. You'll see a list of supported providers here, each with a brief description and a button to get started. Find Stripe in the list and click Set Up Now. Zoho Books will redirect you to a secure Stripe login page. Go ahead and sign in with your Stripe credentials, just like you normally do. If you're managing multiple Stripe accounts or businesses, select the correct one you want to connect to Zoho Books. Stripe will show an authorization screen describing the access Zoho Books is requesting, which generally covers the ability to process payments and view the information needed to complete transactions. Review the details, then approve to allow access. After you authorize, you'll be brought back to Zoho Books. That's it. The connection is established. From here, your invoices can be paid online through Stripe, giving your customers a fast, secure checkout experience with major cards and supported wallets, while keeping your accounting streamlined inside Zoho Books. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the gear icon or the online payments option, check your user role or ask an administrator to grant access. If Stripe doesn't appear in the list, verify that your organization's country and currency are supported. When logging into Stripe, use the account that actually processes payments for your business to avoid connecting the wrong profile. And that's all there is to it. You've connected Stripe from Zoho Books with just a handful of clicks, and you're ready to accept online payments directly on your invoices. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to move on to using Stripe with your invoices and enjoy faster payments and cleaner records in your books.